Guys, so I'm gonna do some jokes today. It's just, random. And this is my magic joke book. I like to call it magic. I don't know why. So, okay. Here's a guessing one. If you peel my skin off, I won't cry, but you will. What am I? And I'll give you a couple of minutes to try to guess, alright? Actually, I'm gonna say it in the answer in another video. Sorry. I'm gonna say the answer in another video. Until then, you can just comment to see what it is, right? Cool guessing game. Meanwhile, let's hear about a story of why dog chases cats. Once long ago, dog was married to cat. They were happy together, but every night when dog came from work, cat said she was too sick to make him dinner. Dog was patient with this talk for a while, but he soon got mighty tired of fixing dinner for both after a hard day's work. After all, Cat just stayed home all day long. One day, Dog told Cat he was going to work, but instead he hid in the cupboard and watched Cat to see if she really was sick. As soon as Cat thought Dog had left, she started playing games with Kitten. They laughed and ran about. Cat wasn't the least bit sick. Dog jumped out of the cardboard. When Cat saw him, she stuck a marble in her cheek and told Dog she had a toothache. Dog got so mad at her, he started chasing her all around the house. Dogs have been chasing cats ever since. Alright, nice story. I have some in Spanish, but I don't know. If you want me to say the ones in Spanish, then you comment it. No matter if you don't comment, you won't hear it. Remember about the guessing game? Don't forget it. It's really hard. I'll say it one more time. Question. If you peel my skin, I won't cry, but you will. Answer. Comment it. I'm not gonna say the answer unless you comment it. Okay, I have another guessing one, but I'm not gonna finish until you guys do. Remember, comment the answer.